Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola, and you are welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how to prepare the perfect and best fried rice for a get together, for a party, or you want to make this for your family at home. This fried rice can last up to 7 days in your fridge. Alright guys, for this recipe I will be using fresh turkey wings. Here is fresh carrots, spring onion, onions and rosemary. This is minced bell peppers, curry powder, thyme, bay leaf and seasoning cubes. Here is sweet corn, butter, shrimps, green peas, salt, and I also have scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger here for the turkey. I will be using that to marinate the turkey. This is my rice. I'll be using 6 cups of basmati rice, and beside it I have cow heart. So the first thing I want to do is to season my turkey wings and the cow heart. I will go ahead by adding the seasonings. My turkey seasonings, I will have some black pepper, I will have salt, curry powder, thyme, and here is the blended scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger and onion. I will add bay leaf and the rosemary. I'm going to mix this together until everything is well combined, and I will leave this for 20 to 30 minutes to marinate. I'm going to set this aside and proceed to the next process. While the turkeys is marinating, I will go ahead by chopping the spring onion. Please, for this recipe you don't have to use fresh vegetables. You can also use frozen minced veg as well. It is also perfect and good for fried rice as well. I will go ahead and cut the carrots and chop them into small sizes. At this stage, the turkey wings are already boiling on fire. Here are all my vegetables. They are all set. So I have boiled the turkey wings. They took me about 25 minutes, and it's time to take out the turkeys and the cow heart, or the hearts, anyone you prefer. So here I will be using my strainer to strain out all the stock and get rid of the dirty from the stock. I love to sieve my, or to get rid of my stock dirty before using them. It just make your rice looks plain without any form of dirty in it. So at this stage, I'll be adding my curry powder into the stock. And here is garlic and ginger paste. It is very, very nice if you add it to your fried rice. I'm telling you, just give it a try. You're going to love it. I will stir this together and I'm going to bring it to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. And I'll go ahead by adding the washed rice. I've already washed my rice off camera. I use hot water. You can also parboil your rice, but because of the type of rice I'm using, I don't think there's any need to parboil basmati rice because it's not as strong as easy cook rice. I will stir this together to adjust the seasoning. Now I will add some salt. When you are making fried rice, you don't need to add too much of curry powder. If your curry powder is too much, it can affect the taste of your fried rice. Just watch the amount of curry powder that you use for your fried rice. For this rice is 6 cups, so I use 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder. Here is the cow heart. I will be using my oven to grill this. You can also fry this or you use oven. And the shrimps also as well. I will grill them together. Now the rice is ready. It is time to start frying the minced vegetables. I will be using butter. You can use oil, vegetable oil, or any oil of your choice as well, but butter is very, very nice for fried rice. It gives your fried rice flavor and also shining look, so I love using butter. I will go ahead and add chopped onion. I'm going to fry this for about 2 minutes before adding other vegetables rather. So I'll be adding the green peas, carrots and sweet corn. I'm going to refine this for about 8 to 10 minutes until I'll get rid of the water from the vegetables. When you are making fried rice, you need to make sure that your vegetables are well fried so that your rice will not spoil before maybe the next day or after some hours. So at this stage, the mixed veg is completely fried and I add one seasoning cube into the mixed veg. At this stage, I will be adding the mixed bell peppers, the red, green, and yellow bell peppers, and I will stir this together. This is ready. I'm adding these mixed bell peppers at the end of this process. And here is my spring onion. You don't have to add your spring onion at this stage. You can add it to your rice later after everything is being fried, but I love to mix all my vegetables together before I start frying the rice with the mixed vegetables. I've cooked my rice and it's not 100% cooked. I cook, let's say 80% cooked, and I've set the rice aside to cool down before I start frying the rice with the mixed vegetables. Here are the strands and the heart is already out of the oven. I will add it to the mixed veg, mix everything together. Then we will move to the next process. If today is the first time you are coming across in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and remember to put on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. Thank you. And to all my subscribers, both new and old, I say a big thank you to you all for always supporting me each time I upload video. Now it is time to start frying our rice. I've taken out some vegetable and I will be adding the rice. I will be frying this batch by batch. You can fry everything together except if you are using a big fry pan. You can fry everything together if your rice is not many. I will be frying this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then I will take it out of the fry pan and repeat same process with the remaining rice and fried vegetables. If you are making one pot of fried rice, maybe you will be eating your fried rice instantly. You can fry your fried rice once and you don't have to steam it on fire after you fried everything. So the reason why I will be steaming this rice for at least 10 to 15 minutes is because I want this rice to last longer, because this is going to take us like 1 week to finish in the house. So it is time for me to steam the rice. I will transfer all the fried rice into a separate pot and I will be steaming this for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will prevent your rice from getting bad quickly. Okay, 15 minutes later, I've come back to check the rice and I will mix this rice together or stir together. This rice is now ready to eat and you can keep this in your refrigerator for at least 7 days. It will not go bad, okay? It won't go bad if you do it this way. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also remember to activate your bell icon so you don't miss any of my upload. I really appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much and I will see you all in my next video.